Hi, I'm Bill Kemp, the home exterior guru, here to introduce to you today a brand new window by a company called Provia. This window is called the Endura replacement window. Now, Provia is a Amish and Mennonite company out of Sugar Creek, Ohio. And let me tell you something. I've been investing in their doors or buying their doors for probably about 15 years. The quality is impeccable. So I can't wait to give you a little update on their newest product line, the Endura window with built-in mini blinds. Check that out. A vinyl replacement window that has built-in mini blinds. I have customers right now that are going to go bananas over this window because this is such a cool feature that has been introduced for one of the first times in a vinyl replacement window. This window has a built-in integrated lift rail, which is very cool. So when you start to lift this window to raise it, you're not worried about the window causing the seal to fail because it's putting pressure along this area. It's built into the sash of the actual window. Now, a lot of windows, when you go to tilt them in, they have these little tilt-in latches. But Provia wanted to do something a little different. They have the integrated tilt latches built right into the locks there. So the windows simply tilt in with ease. Same thing happens at the top. You just pull it down and tilt from the top. Do all of your cleaning with ease. And guess what? The best part about this is now you get to actually clean your windows without having to move your blinds out the way, clean your blinds, and even worry about your blinds in the first place. Okay? Also, one of the cool things about Provia is they have custom exterior colors. Now, why is that important? Because with me, the home exterior guru, we talk about your home design. We talk about different things that you can do. Well, if you design your home with a black exterior window, you can have a black exterior coral black door to match that window. Okay, that's pretty cool. Also, they have a new feature called the flex screen. Now, most screens have a hard aluminum casing around the outside. This particular casing, screen itself, has a very rigid flex band that allows you to remove that screen and put it in and out with ease. Pretty cool feature. But the thing I like most about it is it simply disappears into the frame of the window and it looks like it's part of the window as opposed to being something that's added on like most screens look. This here, again, is the Endura replacement window with mini blinds. Again, I'm Bill Kemp with Home Exterior Guru. If you want to find out how to get this window in your area, give me a call at 804-338-6909. Have a great day.